Hey guys, I'm here with the Dart again that has an AirTekk air ride system on it. We're in the process of switching these factory top hats that mount with these plastic retainers here over to a camber plate, a standard 3-bolt camber plate. This is one that we've already finished. As you can see inside there, it has the camber adjustments. These here are the AirTekk camber plates for the 13 and up Dart. As you see, they come with spacers in them. Also, they do come with the studs pre-pressed in there. I did knock them all out in order to locate the holes from the bottom side, as I'll show you later on in this video. Okay, as you see, I have removed this. I've removed the strut from the car, and then I removed this factory bearing set top hat from the strut and replaced it with the camber plate, as so. Now this freely turns on this pillow ball here, as well as pivots back and forth in every direction. The problem I was having was, instead of the bearing turning, the bag was actually turning on the bottom of the entire bearing assembly, which was running the O-ring at the top of the bag. So this should solve the problem, as now I can get this nut a lot tighter than I could with these. Okay guys, once I got the camber plate mounted to the strut, I actually put the strut back in the car using a floor jack underneath the knuckle. I pressed it up into the tower, moved it around until I had the stud, the center of the strut centered in this hole. Then, since I had the studs removed on the camber plates, I went underneath with a white paint marker and marked the center of those holes. Took the strut back out then in order to drill the holes, as you see here. Now it's just a matter of putting the strut back in and finishing the project.